Hello all, welcome back to the next one. Let's discuss the solution for the framework exercise that I've given in the last class. So let me bring up the PyCharm and I'll also bring up the browser in some time. So this is our course page that I created. This is the pages class and these things I've already shown you in the question itself. So we will move forward. Next thing that we want to do here is we want to find the locators. So I found the locators for all these elements that I talked about in the question. Let's go ahead and see them. So search box, first thing is it says search courses. This is the one that I found, right? So let's see. If I bring up my fire path and I try to find this guy, so it has an ID called search courses, and there you go, we found it, right? So this is the ID. We're not mentioning here anything, we are just looking at what is this thing, and then in the methods we can mention with what type we want to find the element, right? If we want to find the element with ID, or if we want to find the element with XPath, those things we can mention there. Now for course, this is the XPath that I found, and let me just show it to you. So this is something that I'm gonna tell you. So right now it says 0 here, right? And what I'm trying to look for here is JavaScript for beginners. So I'm gonna replace this thing here, beginners, and let me just try to now clear the console and hit it, and I can find one matching node, and this is for the JavaScript for the beginners text. If you see, this thing is getting highlighted when I'm selecting it, right? So we found the XPath for this guy and we can use it to select the course. Let's move ahead. Next thing is all courses. This is actually kind of a class name which is gonna give us all the courses. I'm not gonna use it right now, but I just wanted to show it to you. So maybe div@class equals to this thing, and if I do this, you can see there are 4 matching nodes here at the left bottom, and there are 4 courses. It's selecting the text of all the 4 courses, right? So this is that, and then we have the enroll button. So let's move forward. Let's click on this course and we will see this enroll button. So let's bring it up. I'm gonna try to select it, and it says enroll button top, and that's what we got here. Then we have CC field, CC expiration date, and then CC CSV. So let's go ahead to the next page and try to find the elements for them. Again, bring up the file path, and this is good. So this guy is CC underscore field, credit card field, and that's what we got here. And then the next one is CC dash exp. So just be careful, not everything is underscore here. One is underscore, second is dash, and then we have CC field, which is CVC field, right? So this is CC underscore CVC. So this is this guy, and then we need to find the locator for submit enroll button. So this is the XPath that I created. Let's just put it here, and it says one matching node, and we can try to figure it out, and it selects the button for us, right? That's correct. Now let's enter some invalid details and let's try to find the XPath for the error message. So I'm gonna click this one and we get the XPath. Sorry, we get the error message. Now let's select the error message that I created the XPath for, and it's huge, so I have to copy it carefully. Control C, and then let's go up here. Let's clean up the DOM and hit enter, and I find the element for the error message. You guys can see it easily, right? So this is the first step. We found all the locators for the elements that we wanted to interact in this exercise. So I just want to stop here in this one. I would say till now verify what you did, and in the next class I will write the methods to perform the actions on these elements. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks for ending this one.